Welcome to Vibe, the newest expression of modern living in the heart of Dubai. Imagine a place where comfort, culture, and connection seamlessly come together. A place designed not just to live, but to thrive. And now, some good news for the most active ones watching this video. We are giving away a free consultation with our personal relocation manager. To participate, it's simple. Just leave a comment under this video with the word consultation. In one of the next videos, we'll pick a few lucky winners who will get a completely free personal session with our expert. What's in it for you? Our manager will help you choose the best relocation option based on your budget and goals. Explain which documents you will need to prepare to obtain your visa. Offer individual payment options and comfortable financial solutions, and walk you through all legal and practical aspects of moving to Dubai. It's your chance to get clarity, confidence, and a real plan without paying a single dirham. So don't wait, scroll down, type consultation, and maybe you will be one of the next winners announced in our upcoming videos. Vibe is more than an apartment complex. Every corner, every space has been crafted to support life in all its dimensions: living, working, learning, and playing. Unlike conventional residential projects, Vibe expands the concept of home, connecting each apartment to its surroundings, to the cultural context of Satwa, and to a vibrant, thriving community. In collaboration with the award-winning European architecture studio DABUREAU, Vibe combines striking design, bold colors, and clean lines with maximum functionality, creating interiors that are dynamic, energetic, and modern. Strategically located in Satwa, Vibe offers unmatched access to Dubai's most iconic landmarks. Emirate Towers, Museum of the Future, Burj Khalifa, and Dubai Mall are all within a short drive. Satwa itself is a multicultural hotspot buzzing with street art, local creativity, and a unique urban character that complements the modern lifestyle offered by Vibe. Residents enjoy the perfect balance: a peaceful, secure home within a connected and inspiring neighborhood. Vibe features studio and one-bedroom apartments designed for contemporary urban living. Each unit is a sanctuary combining style and functionality, offering open layouts, high-quality finishes, and carefully curated color palettes. The interiors are bold, vibrant, and energetic, reflecting Dubai's dynamic spirit while providing a sense of calm and privacy. Every apartment is a personal retreat, a space where residents can live, relax, and entertain effortlessly. The complex offers a wide range of amenities designed to enhance both social interaction and personal well-being. Residents can enjoy an open-air pool or a serene indoor pool, a terrace garden, and public spaces that blend greenery and water features to create a tranquil urban oasis. Fitness enthusiasts have access to a fully equipped gym, yoga spaces, and wellness areas. Families benefit from dedicated children's play zones, while professionals and creatives can use co-working spaces, conference rooms, and a library. Vibe even has its own cinema, ensuring entertainment is always within reach. Every space has been designed to encourage connection, community, and calm amidst the energy of city life. Beyond the physical spaces, Vibe provides a comprehensive lifestyle service. Residents can rely on airport transfers, car rentals, concierge support, restaurant and even bookings, and a variety of leisure services, making daily life effortless and enjoyable. Whether it's work recreation or socializing, Vibe integrates convenience and luxury, allowing residents to experience their apartments as fully serviced homes or boutique hotel experiences, tailored to individual needs. In every sense, Vibe represents a new way of living in Dubai, a place where design, culture, community, and convenience merge. This is a home for those who value not only what is inside their apartment, but also the life they can create around it. Vibe is a vibrant, energetic, and connected ecosystem that redefines what it means to live well in the city. Discover Vibe today. Visit our website to submit your request, and our team will guide you in finding the perfect apartment that suits your lifestyle and goals. Live connected, live inspired, live Vibe. It's your gateway to Dubai's most dynamic living experience.